Hi everybody friends. Then ready I completely assemble my engine. It's assemble starters, all pumps, uh, spark systems, generator, all wires, carburetor, all installed. Uh, I started. It's before. It's not first time. I started. I need to turn it a few times before fuel come inside carburetor. Need to change battery because I have right now two batteries, but it was almost die. Need buy one new and install. Okay, I'll assemble. Right now I start and show you like it's work. It's have a huge sound because it's not on the water. First, before we start, need to push accelerator for fuel comes on it's a rpm.work. Need to fix it, this problem. Right now I started and show you it's work.
Давление масла вот показывает, видите? Температура двигателя работает.
RPM
Не работает тахометр, как я вам говорил. Амперметр работает. И уровень топлива работает. Вот работает двигатель. Да, может немножко большие обороты двигателя. Но когда будет на воде, обороты будут меньше. И также еще на воде будут проведены окончательные регулировки.
Okay guys, what I can say about my work, I'm happy like work engine. About valve regulation, when I first start engine, it's have a little bit clutters, make tack 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 tack, tack like we have a big free play, but near for 30 seconds its clutters go out and valves not make clutters more. I not touch bot near 1 day, then start engine again and not have clutters. Like I make a regulation, looks it's good. Need heated engine on some days and check compression on hot engine for check what compression we have. And next, what I planned to do on next series, it's fixed this area on the floor. Need to cut fiberglass with OSB because it's, you can see it's hole, because OSB it's broken here. It's have a under this OSB fuel tank and water not go out and destroy this piece. Another area on the floor is on a good, not soft, it's hard floor, it's on a good condition. Change this piece on OSB, cut, make lamination new piece on epoxy and fiberglass, then put gel coat on the top and change whole carpet what stay on the horizontal level, because this it's really old and not on good condition. I won't change. Subscribe, put comments, likes, and share video for your friends for see next video what I do, and see you on YouTube again.